Welcome to my channel, Shepherd and Lion. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd in a forest who grazed his sheep at the foot of a mountain near the forest. He would sleep under the shadow of a tree, and the goats would gaze all day long. He was very bored, so he thought of a plan to have some fun. He climbed on a mountain. He started shouting loudly, "The lion came! The lion came!" The villagers went to help him. He laughed. The boy liked this tree so much. A second time, he did this again. The villagers come at spot and Shepherd laughed at him. But soon after that, a lion came out the forest and he climbed on a mountain. He shouted loudly, "The lion came, the lion came!" But this time the villagers didn't pay attention to him. So the lion ate the herd and tore the boy apart. Get lesson from the story that by lying man loses the trust of others.